She ain't got no money, her clothes are kind of funny, her hair is kind of wild and free.
Hi guys, Happy New Year! So this is my first vlog of the year 2025, and I'll just show you some clips during our New Year's Eve sa Clark. Umuwi kami ng Clark again. And yeah, we are back here in Manila, so mag-vlog tayo cause why not? I just finished eating leche plan. Galing pa to ng Clark kasi sobrang daming handa, guys. Since dalawa lang sila, so hindi nila mauubos yung mga food nila doon. Hindi ko alam kung paano nila mauubos lahat yun. Sobrang dami. Eh, since holiday season, so syempre, marami ring handa yung mga kapitbahay. So, paano na? Kaya, ayan, ang dami naming inuwi. So, ito yon. Kahapon, naubos ko yung cake. As in, isang lagayan din siya. Since I love cake. And ito, kinaan namin to kagabi ni Bibing. And ito na lang yung natira. So, kay Bibing na to. Ubusin niya na. Well, anyway, walang ganap series naman to. So, yes, we're back to walang ganap series. So, yun. Yung ating vlog for this year. How are you guys? How's your new year? How's your celebration with your family or kung sino man? I hope na nag-enjoy kayo. So, let's start this year. Happy Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Hello, you guys. It's January 4, and look at that. I have a pimples. Grabe ang lala. It's because oh my God, ang mga manok sa 2025, andyan pa rin sila. I can't use yung binigay sa akin ni BM na wireless microphone. Maganda sana siya kasi meron siyang noise cancellation. But then, I don't know, for some reason, it's not working dito sa phone ko. I have tried paano, and then I have watched a lot of tutorial or how to use it. Pero bakit ganun? It's not working here. I don't know. Parang na-try ko siya sa TikTok video. Bakit hindi pa rin? Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. Sayang naman kung hindi ko siya magamit. Well, anyway, ayan. Na-distract na naman ako. So much yapping. Yeah, I have a lot of pimples. It's because it's the time of the month. And I think it's the hormones. So, yeah. Ito naman, pawala na siya. Main problem is the pimples. Because I'm an acne prone, so yeah. Anyway, let me show you. Ayan. Hindi pa ako nakakapagtanggal ng Christmas decorations. Maybe after 3 Kings, tatanggalin ko na yan. So, I just woke up from a nap. Like, it's almost 2 p.m. Nag-nap lang ako kasi super aga akong gumigising, guys.
I'm a morning person.
Wow. Kaya I just had a nap. And now, I'm gonna take a bath later. I am testing out the mic. Feeling ko gumana na siya, guys. Ayan. Ito na yung aking labada. Pinasok ko na. Kasi nga, tuyo na siya. Yung kumot na nilabhan ko. So, I'm testing this out. Let's try yung kanyang... Narinig niyo ba? And narinig niyo rin ba? Tanggalin ko na yung mic. Narinig niyo rin ba yung ingay sa labas? Like yung mga manok? Or yung fan? Ilalapit ko kayo sa fan? Narinig niyo ba? Feeling ko wala na. Oh my God, I'm so happy.
Kung gumana na to. So what are you going to do? Just put it there, inside.
I-crack mo, i-crack.
Marupok na kasi siya, so ita-transfer siya dyan sa bagong pot. Oh my God. Cutesy!
singaling. Magagol naman yung setting.